lovers, welcome back to It's E Lifestyle, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called It's E Lifestyle, and it is all about creating the lifestyle that you love. I am ready to give you all of the recommendations that you need to help your skin glow. Now, there are tons and tons and tons of Sephora recommendation videos here on YouTube, so I decided to make this one specific to a glowy face. If you have been watching my channel, then you will know that I love a good glow. I love for my skin to glow, and I actually have a secret to that. It's actually drinking a lot of H2O. I drink a lot of water. However, I do have some skin products that I am currently using that also helps with glowy skin, and I want to share them with you guys. I have 5 products that I am recommending that you purchase if you love glowy skin. It is springtime, the summertime is coming. None of these products are makeup based. All of these products you can wear with or without makeup, but they are going to help your face to glow like a light bulb. However, before I get into the 5 skin products that's going to help your face glow, I want to share my new jewelry pieces with you that I received from Ana Luisa. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so just to let you know a little bit about the Ana Luisa brand, they offer long-lasting, tarnish-resistant jewelry that's very, very affordable. One of the things that I really love about Ana Luisa is most of their jewelry represents something, such as the necklace that I'm wearing today. If you watch my vlogs, then you've seen this necklace a million times because I wear it all the time, especially when I'm wearing red lipstick, because it's actually a tube of red lipstick. And to me, this necklace represents glam. I am a glam girl. I love glam, and I love things that represent glam. Another one of my favorite necklaces from Ana Luisa is the Lexi necklace, and that one to me represents femininity. It's like the shape of a woman's body. This is another necklace that you see me wear quite a bit. I absolutely love this necklace. I also am a true Aries, a proud true Aries. So Ana Luisa also offers zodiac necklaces. So I actually have the one that represents my sign, which is the Aries. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so since I have quite a few necklaces from Ana Luisa, I decided to go with something a little bit different and get some hand candy. So my first selection is actually the rope slim, in which I have right here on my right hand. I absolutely love this piece. It reminds me like of a rope necklace. It's water resistant, so you can wear it while you're in the shower. You don't have to take it off when you're washing your hands. As I stated, it does not tarnish. This is actually 14 karat gold on stainless steel. So I absolutely love this piece. It's so nice and so dainty. Just a very simple piece of jewelry that will pair well with any outfit. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so my other piece of hand jewelry that I selected from Ana Luisa is actually the rope bold, and this piece of jewelry is very similar to the rope slim. They actually look very much similar, but this one is a larger size. And one of the reasons that I selected the rope bold and the rope slim, because I can actually stack these if I want to. I do not have to wear them single. So if I wanted to stack them and wear them as a set, I could actually wear them like that, which I really like. That's probably how I would wear it today. So you can actually stack it and wear it as a set. So that's one of the reasons that I kind of chose these. And then my last selection from Ana Luisa is actually a single earring. Now I'm going to advise you that I actually thought that it was a set, but it's a single initial earring of the letter E, which represents my name, Erica, or It's E Lifestyle. But I decided to go ahead and show you guys this, although I do not have a single piercing. I'll probably just have to order another one just so I can have a pair for my ears. But just in case you have a single piercing, such as your nose or whatever, you can order a single earring or you can order a pair. So I decided to go ahead and share this with you lifestyle lovers anyway. It almost represents kind of like a diamond studded E, which I absolutely love. So I definitely have to get another E so I can have a pair. As I stated, I have quite a few pieces from Ana Luisa, mostly necklaces. They are very dainty. I do not want my jewelry to get tangled. So all of your Ana Luisa jewelry come in these customized recyclable pouches. And this is pretty much how I store my jewelry. That way it won't get tangled. You don't necessarily have to use these pouches to store your Ana Luisa jewelry. You can use them as a coin purse, but I prefer to have my jewelry stored in them, so that is pretty much how I store them. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so now that I've given you all of the deets on my new Ana Luisa jewelry selections, let's get into this glow edition video. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so as I stated, I only have 5 products to share with you guys. So the first product, if you've been watching my vlogs, you've already seen this product. I just recently had a birthday, so I had tons of gift cards, so I just repurchased another one of these. But this is what helps my face glow on a regular basis, so it had to be included in this video, and that is the Sunday Riley CEO Glow. I absolutely love this stuff. Now this bottle that you're seeing is actually my empty bottle. I kind of kept it because I was gonna film like an empty video, but this is the larger size. This is the 1.18 fluid ounces. This stuff is expensive. I'm not gonna lie. I think this bottle is around $80, but it absolutely works. And they have a smaller bottle for half the price. So this is actually 2 empties. Both of these are empty bottles. So I actually have a new bottle. Let me go get it so you will know how much I love this stuff. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I went and got my new bottle. So this is actually the new bottle that I just purchased with a gift card that I received for my birthday. These are old empty bottles. So you know, if I continue to purchase this CEO Glow at that price point, it works. I am telling you, it works. Now, I will advise you, if you do decide to purchase it and you want to preserve, or you just kind of want to see how it goes, just put it on at night. I put it on twice a day. I apply it in the morning and at night. I absolutely love this stuff. It has my skin glowing. Most of you comment under my videos and tell me how glowy my skin is. This is one of my secret weapons. So I definitely recommend this. Just try. They may have something even smaller than this. I'm not 100% sure, but the smallest bottle is $40. If I'm not mistaken, it's $80. I'll double check, you know, and put it on the screen. But the CEO Glow is definitely going to help your skin glow. So this is one of my top glowy skin recommendations. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so my second recommendation for glowy skin, it's actually 2 items, but I'm going to share them as a pair because I think they actually need to be purchased together. And one of them I just started using. So I've actually, this is an empty. I tried to save some of my empty bottles, just to share with you guys. But this is actually an empty bottle. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. So just to kind of share the bottle with you guys. Let me see. Okay, this is actually how the bottle looks. This helps my skin glow as well. I actually use these together. So I'm going to tell you what I've been doing. I wash my face with my Youth to the People cleanser. And what I've been doing, so this is actually the new item that I've been using. As I stated, I just had a birthday, and the birthday gift, or one of the birthday selection gifts, was these items right here. So this is actually the Glow Recipe Watermelon PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner. So I have been using the toner along with the dewdrops. And these alone will actually help your skin glow. You don't even need the CEO Glow. If you want to buy that and just save it to apply at night and apply these during the day, then you can do that as well. But I am going to purchase the large size of this. This was my first time using it. But along with the niacinamide dewdrops, baby, you are going to be glowing. So this is actually my second recommendation for glowy skin. The Glow Recipe Toner as well as the Glow Recipe Dew Drops. I would actually recommend purchasing them together because that's how I've been using them. But before I tried the toner, I was just using the Dew Drops. But they have you glowing even more when they're paired together. So I would definitely recommend this duo together. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so moving on to my third product that's gonna help your face glow. If you watch one of my most recent vlogs, you've seen this. I have purchased this product. This is probably like my third or fourth time purchasing this product, but it's actually a primer made by Smashbox. I have it on today. I use this every time I do my makeup, and this primer glows through your makeup. So this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Illuminate Glow Primer, and I love this stuff. Okay. So just to give you an idea of how it looks, this is how it looks. The directions actually say smooth over clean skin twice daily. You can wear alone or under makeup to add radiance. I have never wore it alone, but as it states here, you can wear it by yourself if you're not a makeup girl. I am clearly a makeup girl, but every time I apply my makeup, I use this Illuminate Glow Primer. So if you're trying to glow for the summertime, definitely add this glow primer into your makeup routine. This is actually my third recommendation for a glowy face. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so moving on to my fourth recommendation is something that I've been using probably for a couple of months now. And it's made by Dermalogical. Now I know Dermalogical is very expensive, but it works. It works for me. If you have been into a dermatologist's office or if you have been into any particular spas, they always have Dermalogical products because they work. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about my nighttime skin routine. I use a Dermalogical cleanser at night. I also use the Dermalogical exfoliant. And I use the Biolumin C Serum. So this is the Biolumin C Serum. This is what I use on my skin at night. This is actually an empty bottle. This bottle is probably about $100. I did not want to spend $80 to $90 on a serum. So I'm going to tell you, they have like a little kit. And this will actually give you the opportunity to try more of Dermalogical products. I think it's called like the brightening kit or something like that. I will insert it so you guys can see it. But it comes with a small bottle of the Biolumin Serum. It comes with the Dermalogical moisturizer. And it's probably around $50. So I totally understand if you don't want to, if you've never tried this before, you don't want to spend $80 to $90 on a serum. I get it. Try that kit. That way you can get a little exposure to some other Dermalogical products. And if you decide you like it and your skin loves it, then you can make a decision whether you would want to purchase a larger size. But I am going to tell you, this is what helps my skin glow. I apply this at night, not so much in the morning time, but I do apply this at night. Don't knock it until you try it. I know it's expensive, but just try that little brightening booster kit. It's probably about $50, which is kind of reasonable. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so moving on to the fifth glowy skin product that I am recommending. I actually do not have any empty bottles. I guess I threw them all away. So I'm just going to have to insert it on the screen. And I think it's kind of popular here on YouTube. I'm not sure. I have seen a few content creators use this, but I definitely recommend 10 out of 10 this for glowy skin. And it is actually called the Paula's Choice Exfoliant. So this is actually a daily exfoliant. You can use this every day. This has been a contribution to my glowy skin as well. I'm actually all out. So this is definitely in my cart to purchase at the Sephora sale. I'm actually a VIB member. So as I'm filming this video, VIB sale has not started yet, but this is already in my cart. So I'm definitely going to re-up on this because this is a staple in my glowy skin routine. I am absolutely recommending the Paula's Choice Exfoliant as my fifth recommendation for a glowy face. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so that is it for my 5 recommendations glowy skin edition. If I had to pick one out of the 5 recommendations that I have recommended, I would definitely pick the CEO Glow. So if you're not able to purchase anything else that I've recommended, I would definitely recommend the CEO Glow as my top recommendation. Not only do I love a glowy face, but I love a glowy body. So I do have a video on my channel where I'm not only recommending glowy products for your face, but glowy products for your body as well. So I will link that video at the end. Don't forget to check the description box for the Ana Luisa jewelry pieces that I shared with you in this video, as well as the coupon code if you decide to shop Ana Luisa. Don't forget, Mother's Day is coming up. They have some perfect pieces for Mother's Day. They actually have a necklace that says Mama that I have in my Ana Luisa jewelry collection as well. That would be perfect for a mom, because I know my kids call me Mama all the time. So that would be perfect for a mom if you're looking for a great Mother's Day gift. I want to give a special thanks to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. But that is pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. I hope you have a great week, a great weekend, whenever you're watching this. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.